ass on the ground.
Hey, man, get out of YouTube, man. This dog been constipated, man, for about 5 minutes. He been running around with shit hanging out his ass, and he can't shit. Get back there and use the bathroom. Watch this, man. You see his ass? He rubbing his ass on the ground. He constipated. He got a big piece of shit hanging out his asshole. You see it? Wow. Look at him. Yorkie. Go on, get down there.
That's his dog for real.
Look at him. He going crazy with a big piece of shit hanging out his asshole. You don't know what to do. Look at him dragging it on the ground. Get back there. Go on over there and shit. It's a big piece hanging out his ass. Get back there. Y'all see that? Get back there. A big piece of shit. Get down from there. Hanging out his ass. Never seen it before in my life. He want to play so bad that he won't stop to take a shit. Get your ass down off that porch. He won't stop to take a shit because he want to play so bad and get petty. Look at it. You shitty booty motherfucker.
Damn, that motherfucker cannot get that shit out his ass.
Hell nah, it's just hanging in his ass. It's just in his ass. Hanging. I never seen no shit like that. Get out here. Get out here. Never seen no shit like that for real. Now that's a shitty situation. Come here. Look at that shit. Dude got a big piece of shit hanging in his ass. You see that? That's. Hey, get your ass back. How you trying to play and you got some shit hanging out your ass?
Like the pigeons do, man.
And look at it, you can't get it out.
You gonna blow up, dog.
Constipation dog. I never heard of a constipated dog.
You got to put that on YouTube, man.
Like, this is YouTube. Bam. Come on, little shitty. Come on, little shitty. Come on, little shitty.
He like, man, look at this shit.
Look, he like, look at this shit in my ass. He like, get this shit out my ass.
He's shaking.
Look at him. He's shaking, nigga. His ass shaking. Man. Look, he don't know what to do. He don't know what to do. He can't push it out. He can't push it out. Push it out. Get back. Get back. Get back. Nigga ass hurting, man. Get back. Get back. Get back.
This shit flopping like a tail.
A motherfucking Yorkie.
It's gonna break off though.
This what you call shitty booty ass Yorkie. Constipated motherfucker. Look at him.
That shit still hanging.
Get your ass out the post. You shitty ass dog. That nigga got a big turd hanging out his ass crack, bruh. And running with it. And smiling like it's feeling good. Yeah, little gay ass dog. Yeah, I had to put this one on YouTube for you. Little Rock Bound, Arkansas, how we do it. With shitty ass Yorkies around this bitch. Never seen it the day before, but today, I got you. Shitty booty.
Damn, my mind hanging still, man. He trying to get that shit off. Hey. Go
I saw Sid just hanging and dangling. Hanging from his
like
ass.
tail,
yeah,
boy.
like a little tail. And they ain't got no tails. Y'all don't got no tails. So that's a piece of shit.